Hey everybody, so I got a quick unboxing video. Got some sockets from Napa. They're Carlyle sockets, a 1/4 inch mid-depth kit set and a 3/8 mid-depth set. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today, I waited a couple days for these to come in. My Napa rep, Gus, he's a great guy. He got me some sockets that I needed. Actually thinking about going back there this morning and having him order me the deep set as well, since I only have like 3 or 4 of the deep sockets anyways. They're very nice sockets. They've never let me down. These are both mid-depth kits. This, first I'll start out the smaller one. This is part number SSMD14013M, or Sam Mary David 14013 Mary. It's a 13-piece 1/4 inch drive 6-point metric mid-depth socket set. Ideal for limited spaces like dashboards, under hood compartments. They have a lifetime warranty. And this guy right here is the same set. It's just 3/8. So this one is model number Sam Mary David 38014 M as in Mary. 14-piece 3/8 drive 6-point metric mid-depth socket set. Chrome vanadium material for strength and durability. Mirror polished chrome plated finish. Resists rust. Ideal for limited spaces like dashboards, under hood compartments. Lifetime warranty. So we're just gonna pop the foil off these guys and look at them real quick. I will eventually get the standard sets. I'll more than likely get the standard sets for the deep, the mid, and the shallow as well. I do not have the deeps, other than I think I have a 10, 11, 12, and a 13 in a deep for these sockets. But I don't have the rest of the kit. I might as well just go down there and say, hey, order me the deeps, and I'll have extra, 10, 11, 12, so on and so forth. So this is a 13-piece kit for the 1/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. They do have some scratches on them, it's not a big deal. See fingerprints and scratches, and as long as they do what the heck I need them, it don't matter. 14, so it goes up to 15 millimeter all the way down to 4 millimeter. And I like these. These are actually very nice. So I'll give you an example. Grab the other two. So this is an 11. This is an 11. So, short, mid, and deep. They're all the 11. So that's the size differences. So the mids, I actually do like the mids. The mids are very nice. I also like these socket rails too. These socket rails are actually pretty nice socket rails. And then they open the 3/8 box. Whoa, caught the camera. The camera's trying to fall on me for some reason. here is the 3/8, which goes from 6mm all the way up to 19. These actually look a lot better than the others. A lot better than the others. And I'll give you guys an example. I have the 11 in shallow. And deep. I do need to grab the deep set as well as the shallow set. Might be easier just to grab the deep and the shallow sets. That way I have them. So here is a shallow 11, deep 11, and nope, that's a 13. So this is what the shallow, mid, and deep look like for the 3/8 as well. So it does give just a little bit extra space. Move the camera, there you go. Does give just a little bit extra space for each different socket. So they're nice. They're very nice sockets. I do like these mids. They will come in handy when it comes to tight spaces. I'm actually going to probably, after the video, go have Gus, my Napa rep, pick me up the metric shallows and the metric deep sets. That way I have them. And then, you know, the singles that I have will just be extras. But, yeah, they're nice. I do like them. They're 1/4 inch 3/8. I don't use 1/2 inch a lot, and when I use 1/2 inch, I use impacts. But I do like these sets. They're both very nice. Very, very nice sets. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and checking out the video. Let me move the tripod so you guys can get a little closer. That's what they look like. I appreciate you guys checking out the video. They're nice sets. They will come in handy, especially the mid size, for a couple engine bay sections that I need to get to. And I was using just the 3/8 Milwaukee Ratchet. But the mids, there was a, you know, I have a couple long sockets. The sockets were just too long, and the short sockets I have are just too short, where I couldn't clearance the ratchet against, you know, like the alternator on a couple vehicles, because it was it's got the old style tensioners where it's basically a bolt and a nut, and you tighten the bolt and nut, and the bolt slides this way, and you tighten this bolt this way, which forces the tension on the belt this way. It's an older vehicle that's got a 3 belt, you know, the fan belt, the alternator belt, and power steering belt. And those style systems don't have a one single, you just, you know, put the ratchet in and tension. It doesn't, you know, only serpentine systems have that. But these will come in handy for getting in spaces like that, where a deep is just too long and a shallow is just too short. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me as well and checking out the video. I would appreciate it if you like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates, as well as go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I wish you guys have a great rest of your day, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this little short video. Again, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!